Agile, innovative, technology-driven, and community-focused, the Calgary Parking Authority is committed to helping build a better Calgary. The CPA has a long history of managing the City of Calgary's parking facilities, and we've developed cutting-edge technologies to offer our customers flexible solutions. The Park Plus system is one example. Through electronic parking management, we've eliminated physical parking permits and removed entry gates to parking lots. Convenient, environmentally friendly, and efficient, we have clients using Park Plus throughout Calgary and beyond. In historic Inglewood, a CPA-led project has created a vibrant public gathering place that reimagines what a parking lot can be. Park is an award-winning collaboration between the CPA, the Community of Inglewood, and the Calgary Municipal Land Corporation. This is a multi-use recreational space that also meets the community's needs for current and future parking. Building on Park's success, the CPA worked with the Beltline Neighborhoods Association to create High Park. This public space features a 200-meter boardwalk and color-themed mini parklets, all set out on the rooftop of the CPA's City Centre Parkade. It's a visitor attraction and a popular spot for locals to escape the downtown bustle and take in the city views. In the heart of the revitalized East Village, the platform Parkade is engineered to meet the public's needs now and far into the future. The CPA-operated Parkade offers traditional vehicle parking alongside electric vehicle charging stations and secure bicycle parking. But this is more than a Parkade. It's a convertible garage built for easy conversion into residential and office spaces to maximize its use as our dynamic city grows and changes. With car ownership projected to decrease in the coming decades, being able to convert this unique Parkade will save money and reduce the impact on the environment. The CPA values our local community and is always looking for opportunities to give back. Revenues that exceed our operational costs are returned to the city to fund projects like public pathways, rec centers, and libraries. And we directly fund a wide range of community initiatives through our sponsorship program, including bike racks, accessible playgrounds, transportation for seniors, and more. Our mandate is to deliver exceptional value through the strong stewardship of public resources. Calgarians deserve the best, and that's why we're always working hard to innovate and improve. The Calgary Parking Authority, your parking authority, offering so much more than parking.